chapter 1 is the last people power. Wait, para nagtatawag nga ng people power. Now, the last people power because we will make sure na yan na yung huli, tama na. Maglagay tayo ng amendment sa Constitution by way of having a revolutionary status na maglagay tayo ng Council of Elders para yung Council of Elders, yun yung they have the power and the people will be represented 24/7 so that pagka merong presidenteng gago mo bangag, underline bangag, o kaya presidenteng walang alam, nagkakamot ng ulo, o presidenteng walang take sa tao, yun, mga pwedeng ipatawag nitong Council of Elders na representing all the sectors of society, religious groups, Muslim, Katoliko, and other Christian groups, Protestant, iglesia. Tapos no, na one level yon, and then another layer is yung mga by profession. So represented yung mga farmers group, mga fishermen, yung mga laborers, tsaka mga office, blue collar, white collar. Represented yung mga dating presidente or mga chief justice, mga ganon. So iba-ibang layer. Di baling magsama-sama kayo dyan, mag-away kayo. At least you represent someone out of the 120 million.